After spending the morning at the Great Sand Dunes, we started our almost 3-hour drive to Durango, Colorado. As we got closer to our destination, you can see the piles of snow on the side of the road getting higher and higher. We were going over one of the highest mountain passes with the truck and trailer, slow and steady, of course. It was incredible to see the amount of snow. It was definitely the most we have ever seen. We're pulling in so we can get Jimmy John's because it's been a long day. We haven't found anywhere to stay. Thankfully, the police officer told us that we could stay at the Walmart even though it says no overnight parking everywhere. And we're pulling in right there and we're going around and a friggin' deer comes out and just randomly goes right in front of our truck. Holy moly, it's been a long day. The next morning, we got a donut treat and decided we would just go to the Purgatory Resort to Snowtube, and then we would just continue on our way. Obviously, we couldn't leave the trailer at Walmart, so we took it with us. I'm saving the Purgatory visit for the next video, but on our way to Purgatory, we saw this little RV park covered in snow, but I decided to just call and see if they had any availability. While we were snowtubing, the owner called and left us a message that he had one spot. We went ahead and took it, of course, but when we arrived at the RV park, the person that was actually running it said they did not have any openings. After a little bit of talking and a little bit of God's magic, we were able to stay for the whole week in their last spot, which they typically keep like a front loader for the snow. A majority of the time that we were there, it was raining and snowing. There were a few mornings that the kids could play outside in the snow. Where are we going?
To a pool!
A hot springs. It's not
Hot springs!
We are literally right here, and we go right over there to that building. What did you think?
I hate this swimming, and I just on the stairs, I just rain.
Did you like it?
Yep,
Was it too hot?
I just go in, put my feet in, and I just get out, lay on the chair.
Oh, okay. How about you, Emmy?
It was very, very wrinkly.
Very wrinkly?
Wrinkly all over.
You were
now.
wrinkly. It wasn't wrinkly. It was just hot. It was
It's
hot water.
hot. Reagan, what do you think? What do you think, Reagan?
I think it was nice.
Yeah? You loved
And
it.
I
Megan
like,
loved it.
nice. It's so warm. It's so
When
cold.
we first mentioned the hot springs and the spa, she was like, I'm gonna go get to the spa and get a massage. And then she like talked in this like,
Yes, you did. What do you think, Daddy?
I liked it. It was relaxing.
Yeah.
It was nice.
We didn't think anybody could go in because it was
Felt really hot at first.
mega hot, but after you sit there for a few minutes, it's nice.
It was nice.
We were just worried about them being too hot and then getting out and then getting back in and getting out, that somebody was going to get sick. So if you stay at the Westerly,
Look at how wrinkly this is.
nobody wants to see that. If you stay at the Westerly RV park, they give you a little coupon so it's $10 per person. Kids under 3 are free.
Yeah.
So if you don't stay there, if you don't stay here, So
It was like, I think it was like $17.
I think it was $17 a person.
And
So we are officially leaving Colorado. Been here forever.
yeah, it's like 2 months.
And where are we going?
We are going to Las Vegas.
Viva Las Vegas!
Las Vegas.
Viva Las Vegas. Here we go. It's gonna be a long ride. Thanks so much for reaching the end of the video. We really appreciate your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, the notification button, wherever those are landing on the screen, and we'll see you at the next place.